I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You open Google Maps and sign in so your saved places and history sync. This matters because results become personalized and repeatable. Once done, make sure location access is granted. That gives precise nearby results. Now type the place name, category, or address into the search bar. You can also tap the mic and speak the query. As you type, suggestions appear. Choose the right one to load details, directions, and photos. Once the place loads, refine results to find the best match. Apply filters like Open Now, Rating, Price, or Hours to narrow options. Make sure to switch map layers. Satellite gives visual context, Transit shows lines and stops, because different views reveal different details. Tap each result to read hours, reviews, and photos. You can also call directly or save to a list. If you want routes, choose driving, walking, or transit and check traffic. Select directions and pick driving, walking, cycling, or transit. Set your start point or use current location, then choose departure or arrival time for accurate routing. Once you confirm a route, tap Start to follow turn by turn, or share it with contacts and save the place to a list or label for later. If results are wrong, clear app cache, toggle location services, and update the app. That usually fixes stale maps or missing places, and then retry the search.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.